Hey everybody, hi. I went to pick up now to let you guys know what is going on. Wait, you're now filming. I thought you just said that you had to go to the bathroom. Yeah, I thought I just said I had to do a lot of things, but it didn't happen yet. I wanted to see if I could catch a lightning strike. Get the camera back in here, alright? And plus, you don't want to get it wet. Hey, sometimes you gotta take risks. Alright, that's what they did back in my days. Wait, what do you mean? I don't know. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put this camera in something, alright? Yeah, you know what? Put it in something, because I'm going back inside. Find it. You can go back inside. Yeah, I am gonna go back inside. This is ridiculous, alright? You know what? This is stupid. What are you doing? I'm rearranging the chairs, alright? Although we need something to support this camera, because I'm afraid it's gonna blow away. It's gonna blow off, then it's gonna break. You know what? But I'll support it. I'm over here. You, a plush toy, support it? Yes, alright! Alright, I'm going back inside. This is insane, alright? You know what? Oh, wait. Point it out there. Sit down. What? Sit down! Oh, you're insane? Look. This is insane. But it is also insane to see that there's actually some clear sky. That's actually clear? Well, you see. Holy moly. I don't want to say the other word. Holy mackerel. Maybe I'll say that. Can I go back up now? Yeah, sure. If you want to. Yeah, because I really gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, so now you gotta go to the bathroom. By the way, I heard you use the bathroom. Yeah, I never got a chance to go to the bathroom. Alright, so... Seriously, I think we should be out here. This is dangerous. Is that a dog? Why do people always leave their pets out here? Here, just catch one more lightning strike, alright? While you're down there. Do I have to be down here? Yes! Alright, you gotta be down here, alright? You gotta catch one more lightning strike, alright? So this video can go viral. Yeah, if you look really closely, you can see the clear sky, coming through the clouds. Yep. But seriously, I really gotta go. And plus, what if I get struck by lightning? Well, sucks to be you. You really don't care about people. Wow, that is insane. Alright, go back inside. Really? Yes, alright. I've got to go to the bathroom. I'm not coming back out. Alright? Coward. What? You know what I mean. Well, whatever, alright. Are you gonna stop the video? Why? Well, why would I want to stop the video? That's insane. What if something happens? Stop it. Just stop the camera. No, you're not. Yo, go back inside, alright? Yo, I'll stop it. Yeah, you know how to edit, I guess, don't you? No. Alright, let's go this. Alright. 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 Dad, why do you go back inside? Oh no, son, he's just retarded. What's that mean? Seriously, son. You know, I'm gonna go down myself. No, Dad, I don't want to lose you. I'm taking a risk. Oh yeah, it's still windy out. Dad, why are you down there? I gotta see if I can catch some lightning. You know, while the sky is partially clear. I don't know if you're gonna do that, really. My teacher told me that when the sky is clear, there's no lightning. What? Hey, who are you? Dad, what are you doing? Oh, hey, come here! Oh, it's so fast. There was a bunny out there, that's what it was, alright, so yeah. Whoa! Come on, where's the big one? A big what? A big lightning strike. Alright, really? Yeah. Wow. So then we just had a snowstorm, a big, huge, massive snowstorm. Now we're having a thunderstorm, even a tornado watch. But what's a tornado? A tornado is a swirly thing, you know, a baby version of a hurricane. You know, this big, little swirly thing, you know, and it can damage your house and stuff, and you gotta be in the basement for that. What if it causes floods? Although I think that's hurricanes that can do that. Uh-oh. Oh. Jeez, it's very windy out. I will pick up back in a minute. Goodbye. Wait, really? Yeah.